Hi guys, I just received my fab bag and I'm so excited. So I've already unboxed it. So let me show what I got in my October 2021 fab bag. So this is how the bag looks like. It's a beautiful beige color bag and it is not very spacious though. Like you cannot keep a lot of stuff in there, but still the bag looks very amazing. So this time fab bag is not sending one particular bag to everyone, so they are sending randomly bags, so all of you might get any bag, like so they will not repeat the bags. So that is what they have told, they will not repeat the bags, but you might get any month's bag, maybe last year or maybe this year also. So I really like my bag. The next one is they are in my fab bag contest card. Every month they have a contest going on and you just need to read the rules and participate in your show. So let's quickly see the products. The very first, sorry I dropped it. So the very first product is the Plush Crush Creme Crayon and I have chose the shade 04 Red Rebel. Now they had given shade options for this one, just for this one particular product they had given shade options, so I chose the red shade of it. Let's see how it looks from inside. So very nicely packed, so let's see. So guys, this is how the shade looks like. I think it looks really good. It's a very nice bright red in color. So I'm just going to show you guys a swatch of. Okay, so this is how the swatch looks like. Now this is a semi matte kind of a lip crayon and the color payoff is very good, as you guys can see, and it has a little bit of shine to it. So very excited to try this, although I would have loved if it would have been a matte lip crayon because I love matte lipsticks, but this is also fine. The next product I have received is from a brand Hanukrit. It is basically an aloe vera soap. I mean guys, just look at the packaging. It's so cute. It retails for 180 and it is a made in India brand. It looks very good. So let's go in and check it how it looks from inside. Wow, this looks so beautiful. Thank you for your order. And this is how the soap looks like. So I'm just going to open and show it to you. So this is how the soap looks like. It's a beautiful glycerin soap and does not have any peculiar smell, but aloe vera is such an amazing ingredient for the skin, for the body. So I'm very excited to try this, guys. I think I'll try this and I'll put a review on my Instagram. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please follow me there. I post a lot of skincare and makeup reviews. So yeah, this looks so good. The next product in my fab bag is an eyebrow growth oil. This is from the brand Bezer India. Now I've used a product from Bezer. I think it was their mist and that was pretty good. Now this is their eyebrow growth oil, which is amazing. If you guys know me personally or you have just noticed, I have a cut on my eyebrows. My mother made a lot of effort in my childhood to apply castor oil so that my eyebrow grows, but my eyebrow was cut from the roots, so I don't think it will grow back. But anyhow, this is very good if you guys have sparse eyebrows. So this looks like an amazing and very appealing product. Let's see how it looks from inside. This is how it looks from inside. It's basically a roll-on kind of an applicator, and the texture seems a little bit thick. If you guys can see, it's a little bit thick. Next up is a product from the brand La Roy. So this is their Crackle Me Good nail paint. It's a special effect nail paints and it's pretty expensive, guys. Now I have already received these kind of nail paint in my, I think 2 to 3 months back. Fab bag did send me the same, but the color was different, and this is in the shade Sand Dune. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try this as well. So basically you need to apply a base coat and over that you need to apply this particular nail paint, and then you will see this such cracking effect on your nails, which is pretty amazing. So yeah, so this is also not a mandatory product. You might get any nail paint from any other brand. So I got from La Roy. So the shade is pretty good. So yeah, the last product in my fab bag for the month of October is from the brand Quench. Now Quench is an amazing brand. I've heard so much about this brand, although I've never used. This brand basically deals into Korean skincare and it's made in Korea, as you can already see here. So this is basically their Mon Cherry Sheet Mask for bright and clear skin. It refreshes skin and boosts radiance. Now I'm having a good expectation from this particular brand, so let me use it and I'll let you know on my Instagram. So that's all in my fab bag. I think fab bag forgot to send me one bonus skincare product. So all the 4 products I just showed you, the bonus makeup that fab bag sent me is their Crackle Me Good nail paint. But however, I think fab bag, you forgot to send me the skincare bonus product. So I'm going to write to them about this and hopefully they send me soon. Yeah, so that was it for today, guys. I hope you loved this quick unboxing and a little swatch video. I'm going to send a mail to Fabbag regarding my missing product. Hopefully they send me soon. And yeah, like this lip crayon looks very good. I love the shade of it, and also I'm very excited for this as well. So yeah, overall this month's Fabbag is pretty decent. And yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. I hope you love this video. I hope you love this review and unboxing. And if you love this unboxing, please like it, please share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And take care. Bye.